Every time life hits harder, it's not punishment, it's calibration proof you're ready for the next level. The struggle doesn't mean you're breaking down, it means you're being built. Right before the sunrise, the night fights to stay. Every dreamer meets resistance right before the day. When life feels like it's testing you, you're closer than you think. Pressure doesn't crush the diamond, it makes the edges blink. I've seen people quit a moment from the wind. They thought the storm meant failure, but it meant begin again. Growth is just discomfort stretched across your spine. Every setback whispers you're about to cross the line. When the plan falls apart, don't curse the fall. That's just gravity reminding you to stand tall. Tests aren't meant to stop you, they're here to make you prove that what you've built inside won't break when you move. You're tested when you're ready, not when you're weak. Every scar you earn becomes the strength you seek. Keep climbing even when the summit hides, because the test and the climb are the same on the inside. You'll lose the things that anchored you and call it pain, but the truth is letting go is how you change the frame. Old versions of yourself can't walk through higher doors. That's why the test begins the moment you want more. I've learned to thank the chaos for what it breaks and bends. It stripped away the noise so I could meet myself again. When you stop asking why me and start asking what for, you realize every trial was a key, not a war. Then comes the habit, the quiet daily grind, the repetition that rewires your mind. Improvement isn't glamorous, it's unseen work. It's showing up each morning when excuses lurk. I used to chase dopamine from every praise and click, but that kind of high just fades too quick. Now I'm hooked on progress, not applause or fame. Becoming better daily is my favorite game. Because addiction to growth is the only one that heals. It replaces empty rush with something real. It's not about perfection, it's the micro win, the quiet better that builds within. You measure success by the battles you face, by the times you got up and the fears you replaced. The test repeats until you learn what it's for. Then life opens up the next unlocked door. Every challenge is mercy, not a curse in disguise. A mirror that asks, will you rise? So when everything shakes, don't look away, that's the sign you're almost okay. And when you look back, tired but proud, you'll see the climb was the purpose allowed. The tests were never enemies, only clues, each one saying the next level's due. You're tested when you're ready, not when you're weak. Every scar you earn becomes the strength you seek. Keep climbing even when the summit hides, because the test and the climb are the same on the inside. You're tested when you're ready, not when you're weak. Every scar you earn becomes the strength you seek. Keep climbing even when the summit hides, because the test and the climb are the same on the inside. Here's what to remember. Life tests you before it rewards you. Not to hurt you, but to confirm you're serious. Growth isn't about speed, it's about consistency. Make self-improvement your only addiction. The climb never ends, but neither does the view.